Hello. So today's video, we will be focusing on creating a beautiful landscape. It's a waterfall landscape that you will be creating, and it's super simple. You will be needing just a few black sheet of paper and few acrylic colors. You will be needing some brushes as well as palette, and you can just start. So here we are done with our waterfall painting. Let me just quickly show you the final result, how it is looking. I absolutely love it. You tell me what is your opinion in that. So if you want to take in-depth class regarding this, you can just check my website, and or you can just contact me if you want to make such paintings. Also, I do sell this some of the artwork on my website. You can check that as well, and do let me know what are your opinions about this painting. You want me to create something, just drop that in the comment box, and I will love to create for you. Also, if you have any query regarding the art, just send me a mail. Please don't you can just send me a mail, and I will try my best to reply. You can just type ankitagargstudio at gmail.com, and then you will be able to send me a mail. Do send me all your queries and questions, and I will be so happy to help you regarding your creative journey. Bye, see you in the next video. Take care.